So cleaning a engine block, cast iron, a lot of guys, are going to use different methods. One I've seen, including at dealerships, guys using a block of wood, sandpaper, other guys using, well, very rarely have I seen one using an iron angle to scrape it. The most common is going to be Scotch pad. And there's different colors with different grit. This is the most common color used. Yellow is the 3M Rolock, and this is probably what's typically recommended by car companies. Looking at the instructions, if it's an aluminum block, they want you to use basically a plastic scraper and some solvent or gasket remover. Sometimes they even say soap and water. Not really realistic in a setting where you have time to worry about. Now, it's okay in my experience to use these types of things so long as you know how much RPM and pressure to give it. I have seen people destroy blocks and mounting areas, causing leaks and requiring an engine repair or replacement. So you have to be careful. I'll just use this as an example. So this is another common item. It's basically the same as this pad, and you can go in and we can look at this and see if we can get any carbon off. So as you can see, these Scotch pads work really well to remove carbon, but you gotta realize that some of that stuff is going in your cylinders. So one thing that always happens by me is I'll grab with a non-lint towel, so like blue disposable shop rag like this. You go in, you wipe it all the way around, and if you're able to, move the piston downward like this one. You get a little bit better wipe. So there's that cylinder there. Keep going here and see how much falls in after I wiped it. And you can use a wooden block to make this more even, but not taking any metal off. This is really not that abrasive. Just good at getting the carbon off. Okay, you can see specks of that pad in there.